Hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Kids Cooking. Today we will be making breakfast balls. You might also know them as protein bites or energy bites. They go by several different names, and it's another really adaptable treat. Super nutritious and super easy to make. I was obsessed with them for a while, and I think I ate nothing but these treats. Yeah, I cheated a little bit and I put my honey in already and my chocolate chips. A couple substitutes that you can use instead of honey, you could do maple syrup, and instead of the chocolate chips, you could do, I did like a cocoa chocolate. You could do a white chocolate, or you could do like the peanut butter chips or the butterscotch chips, whatever kind of flavor that you want to be in your recipe. That's the kind of chips that you would put in. So I'm just going to tilt the screen down here so you can see my bowl here. I also put, I put the honey and chocolate chips in already. I started the video and I had to go back and get another spoon. So I'm just putting in the four like base ingredients that you need. So the next ingredient I'm going to put in is 1 cup of rolled oats. See that go in there. Perfect. And then it calls for 2/3 of a cup of creamy peanut butter. All right, so got my spoon to scoop up the peanut butter. And then if you have like a peanut allergy, another substitute you could do like different kind of butter. So you could do like an almond butter or more. You could do coconut oil in there as well. Adds a nice extra kind of flavor. I'm kind of cheating on this recipe. I'm a lazy cook, you guys. I'm bad at properly measuring. All right, now that we have all of our base ingredients in here, I'm going to mix this all together. The recipe does also call for flaxseed, but I didn't have any at home, and I wasn't going to buy a full thing of flaxseed just for this recipe. Another edit that you can make, instead of the flaxseed, you could do hemp seeds or chia seeds. If you have those on hand at home, they're really nutritious. They add well to this recipe. Something else you could put in there are cranberries, like dried out cranberries, chopped walnuts, pecans, almonds. When I was looking in my pantry this morning, I kind of thought Rice Krispies would be good in there because it would add a nice little crunch. I thought that sounded really good. You could put shredded coconut in. You could put cocoa powder in. All kinds of things. You could put sprinkles in there if you wanted to add some color. So you can see this is mixing up really nice. And then if you're doing this at home, it recommends that you toss this in the fridge for 10 or so minutes just to make it harden up and it's not so sticky to form your balls. And then, so we don't have that time, so I'm just going to form the balls and get my hands sticky here. So again, washing your hands before starting any recipe. So yeah, you just shape them into a ball, and we can do that with the whole bowl. And then once all of your balls are shaped, pop it back in the fridge, and then you can snack on them whenever you're feeling snacky. That's it, that's all. This recipe also freezes really well, so if you wanted to make a whole bunch and freeze them so they're available when you need them, that is also an option. I know this is a great like after sports snack. I know soccer is really popular here in Stoughton, and it's starting up soon. This would be perfect coming off of practice, having having a little snack. So, just gonna tilt you guys back up. I will share the recipe in the notes below, and then I will also provide a link to one of the websites that I used for inspiration. So I hope that you guys have lots of fun making this treat at home. Get some sticky hands, and yeah, have fun, and we will catch you next month. Bye, guys.